Hello everyone, I am Mr. Reynold. In this video, we will learn about addition and subtraction of binary, octal, and hexadecimal numbers. Let's begin with binary number system. We start with subtraction first. In this number, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now you can see here where 0 minus with 1. 0 is smaller than 1, thus it need to borrow from the next number, which is 1, and leave it as a 0. After borrow from 1, 0 get the value from the carried out 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we just minus them as usual. Next, we move to addition. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then we need to add them as usual. As you can see, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. It will carry out 1 to the top front and going down as 1. Now we move to octal. As you can see, 6 plus 3 is 9, which is bigger than 8. Thus we need to minus it with 8. 9 minus 8 is 1, but it will carry out 1 on the top of 3. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 8. We need to minus the result with 8, as there is no 8 in octal number. So the answer is 0 with the carryout of 1. Next is 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10, which is bigger than 8. Thus we minus the 10 with 8 and get the answer 2 with carryout 1, and finally bring down the carryout 1 as an answer. Let's move to subtraction. 6 minus 3 is 3. In this case, when 3 minus with 4, we need to borrow from 5. Then we put carryout 8 on top of 3. 3 minus with 4 is equal to negative 1, but negative 1 will be plus with 8, and the answer is 7. Finally, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we move to hexadecimal. We start with addition. 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5. Finally, d plus with 5 is equal to 18, which is bigger than 16. When this happens, we must minus the result with 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. Carry out 1. Bring the carry out 1 to the bottom as the final answer. For subtraction of hexadecimal, 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 is smaller than 3, thus it need to borrow from D. The remaining of D is C. Put the carryout 16 on top of 2. 2 minus with 3 is negative 1, and negative 1 plus with 16 is 15. We write 15 as F in the hexadecimal number system. Finally, C minus with 5 is 7.